everyone, my name is Dipali Kende. I am ME in Embedded System. Today we will see algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression. Now we will see definition of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is nothing but it is an expression in which constants and variables are used and they are combined in various operators just like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See here we can see any example. 5x cube, 7p square plus q, then 7x square plus 5y plus 3. Okay, we can give any examples. Now we will see some basic definition related to algebraic expression. First is constant. Constant is nothing but any numerical value. See here, it cannot be changed. Constant can be real number or natural number, then integer. Any value can be a constant. Example, -7 plus 15 plus 28 or any number. Then the second is variable. Variables are any alphabet just like ABC, PQR, XYZ, any alphabet to represent unknown numbers. Suppose any number, we don't know the exact value of that number, we can consider it as a alphabet. X, Y, any alphabet. Now the next is coefficient. A quantity multiplying a variable is called as its coefficient. Suppose 4x square. In this case variable is x square and coefficient is 4. Then the next is term. The parts of algebraic expression separated by addition or subtraction is called as term. Now see here in this example, 5x square plus 2x plus 7. In this case it has 2 plus operators, so it has 3 parts or 3 terms. Now we will see various types of algebraic expression. First of all, we will see what is meant by polynomial expression. See here, poly means many. So the algebraic expression which contain one or more terms is called as Now we will switch towards like terms and unlike terms. See here, first we will see like terms. The name itself shows that in these the algebraic factors are similar, but coefficient may be different. See here the example. 2x cube y square z plus 5x cube y square z and 9x cube y square z. See here, in this case all variables are similar and power of all variables are same. Just like power of x is 3, power of y is 2 and power of z is 1. So these are like terms. Now the next is unlike term. See here, again the name shows that unlike. The algebraic factors are unlike to each other in every term. See here, the example is 9 a raised to 4 b square c, then 3p square q and 7x cube y square z. See here, in this case variables are different, their powers are different. So these all are unlike terms. Now we will see addition and subtraction of like term. Always remember that addition and subtraction can be possible for like terms only. It is not possible for unlike terms. Now we will see one example. 8p square q square plus 7p square q square plus in bracket minus 4p square q square. Means now here total terms are 3. Okay. Now first of all, first step is we will separate out the coefficients of all 3 terms. So in first bracket 8 plus 7 minus 4, after that bracket close and our algebraic factors p square q square. Now its addition is 11. So the final answer is 11p square q square. Now we will see second example. 9x cube y 15x cube y plus 3x cube y. See here again, in this case 3 terms are there. Okay, so we will separate out coefficient 9 plus 15 plus 3 and algebraic factor x cube y. So its final answer is 27x cube